Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be discussing how artificial intelligence can be used to help you live a better life. First of all, let's define artificial intelligence. It's a term that's been thrown around a lot in recent years, and there's still some confusion about what it really means. Essentially, artificial intelligence is the ability of machines or software to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This can include things like problem solving, decision making, and learning. There are many ways that artificial intelligence can be used to improve our lives. One of the most obvious is through automation. If you're someone who hates doing mundane tasks like doing the dishes or folding laundry, you'll be happy to know that there are now robots that can do these tasks for you. These robots use artificial intelligence to identify objects and navigate around your home, making them a convenient and efficient addition to your household. Another way that artificial intelligence can help you live a better life is through personal assistants. These are software programs that use artificial intelligence to help you manage your day-to-day tasks. For example, you can use a personal assistant like Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa to set reminders, make phone calls, or play music for you. They can also be used to answer questions and provide information, making them a valuable resource for busy people. Artificial intelligence can also be used to improve your health and wellness. For example, there are now wearable devices that use artificial intelligence to monitor your physical activity, sleep patterns, and other health metrics. This data can be used to provide you with personalized recommendations for improving your overall health and wellness. There are also apps and software programs that use artificial intelligence to provide personalized workout plans and nutrition recommendations based on your goals and preferences. One of the more exciting uses of artificial intelligence is in the field of transportation. Self-driving cars are becoming increasingly common, and they use artificial intelligence to navigate roads and make decisions based on the surrounding environment. It has the potential to make transportation safer and more efficient, and it could even make it possible for people who are unable to drive due to age or disability to have greater independence. Another area where artificial intelligence is making a big impact is in the workplace. Many companies are using artificial intelligence to automate tasks and improve efficiency. For example, machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze data and make recommendations for improving business processes. This can free up time for employees to focus on more important tasks and help to improve overall productivity. There are many other ways that artificial intelligence can be used to improve our lives, and the potential applications are endless. From automating household tasks to improving our health and wellness, artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that can help us live better, more efficient, and more fulfilling lives. So, how can you start using artificial intelligence to improve your life? There are many ways to get started, and it's easier than you might think. One of the easiest ways is to start using a personal assistant like Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. These devices are easy to set up and use, and they can help you manage your daily tasks and access information quickly and easily. Another way to get started with artificial intelligence is to explore the various apps and software programs that are available. From fitness apps to productivity tools, there are many ways that artificial intelligence can help you live a better life. Finally, if you're interested in exploring more advanced applications of artificial intelligence, there are many resources available online. From online courses to community forums, there are many ways to learn more about how artificial intelligence works and how you can use it to improve your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and do subscribe to stay up to date with all of our content.